Okay, guys, let's trade gold 1 hour, 1 minute chart. I have sold here according to the cycle snipper. First signal was here, set 1. Now we're going to wait 1 minute chart. We are switching to 1 minute chart. We have our bands and 2 cycle snipper, set 1 and set 2. Here on the chart, now we are able to see the dots and arrows of the second settings. Okay, first of all, let's try to understand this. So the dots and arrows are belong to the set 2, the bigger periods. Set 1, one crossover here. So let's wait for this breakout and we will sell more. When we go back to the 5 minutes chart, for scalping, we're going to wait for the breakout. But both set 1 and set 2 is overbought. So let's get ready. There we go. We can sell. So our target will be, because it's 1 minute chart, there we go, ladies and gentlemen. Simple. And this one is giving the signal also. If you go back to 5 minutes chart, our bands here as a support. Set 1 and set 2. Nothing on the 5 minutes chart yet. But 1 minute chart, yes, we will go down. One good sample for the different settings, set 1 and set 2. Set 1 is almost below the 0 level, but set 2 is telling us there's a way to go. 1 minute chart. As you see on the 5 minutes chart, we don't have any signal yet. So what will happen? Most probably price will come to here, then retrace, then we'll go back. Our stop loss is simply above the bands, somewhere here. Couldn't break in 1 minute chart, but the reversal signal is coming, so I sold small here. We will see. Good part of the story on 1 hour chart. Set 2 is oversold, overbought. Similar 4 hour chart. Set 1 is almost overbought. And this is telling us that big sell-off is coming on the way. Set 1, set 2, 1 minute chart, 5 minutes, first target. Let's take our money from this shit. Here the fuckers started our first short and support. What we're going to do is we're going to close these two shorts here, and then we will look for a 5 minutes chart. We will look for a breakout here, signal, sell signal here, reversal signal here. One minute chart. I want to share something. Pay your attention. You see, the second sub window is set 2, the first sub window is set 1. It's coming to oversold, but this one is still above the 0. Once this happens, this breakout, if it breaks, price will the price will come to 1860, somewhere 1861. This will be the breakout mode of the second one. Let's wait and see. I'm quite confident about this trade. When we go back to 5 minutes chart, this is my first target, 1861 something, but 30 minutes, somewhere here it will retrace. When I'm looking at the different time frames, this was sell here. It will go down as well. For our chart, let's go back to 1 minute chart. Now it's approaching our first target. What we're going to do is we will close this two sheet and take our profit. Now let's wait this level to be broken downside. Here. As you see, we have the bands also, the 100 period. Even if it retraces from here up to 1869, we're gonna sell again. Smaller period, set 1, already broken down, but set 2, it's also telling us soon I'm gonna fall. Big fall is soon. Let's go back to 30 minutes chart. Down to somewhere 1650, 1653 somewhere. $15 chart. As I told you, it will come here and it will trace. Our first support. We go to 5 minute chart and let's see where they are. Here. Working as predicted. We are close to breakout. Look at the set 2 of cycle snipper. Set 2. We are very close. Here we go. Here we go. As planned, now I close some part. Our concern is now where we gonna focus. Breakout of this bands. One-hour chart. Again, one more signal will come here. First signal was here and this one. Let's go to 5 minute chart. If we are talking about scalping, we are almost here. Our target. Let's take some profit again. And wait for the breakout. I will not record the rest because this was just about scalping. We started with, this is a live account, $450, almost 10% in 1 hour. It is quite enough. I recorded this video to show how to trade 1 minute chart and 5 minute chart by checking the bigger time frames and the beta bands.